Located in the St. Andrews section of beautiful Stoney Creek is 823 Creek Crossing Trail. An amazing way to experience golf course living, this home is an end unit with extended patio with walkout access to the 12th green of a course designed by Tom Jackson. When entering this home, the open layout is enhanced by laminate floors as well as vaulted ceilings in both the kitchen and living room. The kitchen features a Palladian window, double stainless sink, gas range, and is open to the dining and living areas. Just past the laundry room and entry from the single-car garage is the dining area, featuring a unique see-through fireplace with gas logs. The living room has a large amount of natural light from the loft overlook above, as well as the entry to the back patio. At the rear of the living room, you continue into the master, featuring double window and walk-in closet. The master bath features a dual vanity and has a separate entry from the living area. As you continue up the stairs, there is a second full bath. The open loft can serve as the third bedroom with its walk-in closet. The second bedroom features a unique ceiling and dormer window. To recap, 823 Creek Crossing Trail sits on the 12th green of Stoney Creek Golf Course with a walk-on-the-course back patio, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, gas log fireplace, vaulted ceilings, and access to pool and tennis. For more information, please contact Rhonda Turbyfill at 336-207-7070 or turbyfill@caldwellbanker.com.